Hey guys, Mr. Decker here. This is lesson 27 of the Express course, Virtual Pet with Sprite Lab. This is the last and final lesson of the Express course. Hey, how about that? So let's get into it. Our computer science standards for this lesson are creating programs that include sequences, events, loops, and conditionals, and modifying, remixing, or incorporating portions of an existing program into one's own work to develop something new or add more advanced features. Our essential question for today: what was the most difficult lesson or concept in the Express course for you? What was the easiest concept or lesson in the Express course for you? Well, there's been 27 of these things, so let me know. You've got 2 or 3 sentences there to answer those questions, and you'll do that up here. You'll press the blue button. It'll open up a text box entry form for you, and you can type your answer there. Let's jump over to code.org and get started with the lesson, shall we? All right, Virtual Pet with Sprite Lab. It says free play. Whoa, check out this cool pet. While reading the code below, ask yourself, how do you command the pet to move? What happens when the pet touches the ice cream cone? And how about the pepper? How is the energy variable used? And how can you check the pet's current energy value? Run the code and play with the pet. When you're done, click finish. All right, so can I? No, guess not. I wanted to make my workspace bigger, but I guess I can't do that. Maybe when I press OK. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, so how do we command the pet to move? And I'm assuming this is the pet. There's the ice cream cone it was talking about earlier. Okay, so while up pressed, he gets energy pixels north. Energy. Okay, so he moves 5 pixels north. When you hit the up arrow, down 5 pixels south, left 5 pixels west, right 5 pixels east. So I'm assuming north is up, south is down, west is left, and east is right. Cardinal directions. Cool. All right, so that's how he moves. What happens? Am I missing a question there? No. What happens when the pet touches the ice cream cone? Let's see. Make new sprite. When the pet touches the ice cream cone, change energy by 1. So his speed goes up as related to the directional arrows. And it'll say yum energy increased up here on the screen, and the ice cream cone will then move to or jump to a random location. All right. So the energy variable is used to give a speed to his movement, and it also increases by 1 every time you touch an ice cream cone, and it also sets back to 5 when you touch the red pepper. And it says yuck energy reset. All right, let's run it. So, okay, yeah, that's working. So it's trying to dodge the pepper. Ooh, and I'm getting noticeably faster. Oh no, I'm slow again. All right, keep getting that ice cream cone. Keep dodging the pepper. Ah, dang it. So the pepper goes to a random spot as well every time you touch it. Ooh, dang it. Man, I just want to hit this ice cream cone only to really see how fast I can get going. This pepper is annoying. Like I can move. Okay. Yep, I'm slow again. Okay, cool. So that definitely speeds you up. So this change energy by 1 is working. All right, cool. So finish there. Continue. We're on bubble 2. I could play that game a lot longer, but let's keep going. So we've got a workspace icon here. That means that this level is part of a larger project and changes are going to be saved across these levels. Good to know. Now, it's your turn to create your own virtual pet. Start by giving it a look you like. Click the Costumes tab at the top left of your screen. Okay. Next to the code, yep. And then edit the starting costume or add a new one that you like. Change the sprite's costume to your own in the code below. Click Run to see your pet's new look. So if I click here, okay. Oh, what does that do? Draw? Oh, okay. Interesting. Seeing what some buttons do. Some buttons I haven't seen yet. And then more. Oh, interesting. Okay. Costumes. Let's add a new costume. Let's see. We've got the cat right now. We can stick with the animal theme, I suppose. We've got a cat. Do we have a dog? We've got a dog. All right. Or a more realistic cat. We've got some bunnies, chickens. Hey, I like these dogs. This guy. This guy. Okay. This one too. What is up with that? That's an awkward picture. Okay. Is that a dog? That's definitely a dog, right? These foxes are adorable. Okay. Definitely going with a fox. Let's go with this one. All right, code. We're going to change the sprite to this fox. All right. Click Run to see your pet's new look. I see him. All right, continue. Bubble 3. Create events to make your pet move on command. Start by using while up pressed along with move pixels north to make your pet move north while the up arrow is pressed. Repeat the above for the other 3 directions, southwest, east, and arrow keys down, left, right. Okay. While up pressed. Okay, so let's go into actions. No. Events. Yeah. While up pressed. All right. And then actions. Move pixels north. My fox. I want to get rid of the cat because it's going to drive me crazy having to select it every time. All right. Anyway, let's make sure that works. Yep. And then let's do all the other ones. So events, when, okay, while down pressed, good. And then let's just go ahead and get all these out here. While down pressed, while left pressed, and while right pressed. Leaving some room. There we go. And then I need to do this one. So actions, move, actions, move, actions, move. And then we're going to say south, left would be west, and right would be east. Let's check it. Uh-oh. Why is only up? Oh. I told you this would drive me crazy. All right, gotta make sure the fox is selected. So run. Now we're moving. Okay, cool. All right, finish. Continue. Bubble 4. Let's make some wandering food. Okay. Add 2 sprites to your world. All right. Oh, wait. Wandering food. Make one sprite look like what your pet likes to eat, and the other look like what it doesn't like to eat. Make each food sprite begin the wandering behavior immediately after it appears. So A fox likes to eat what? Fox likes to eat rodents and birds and stuff. There's a bunch of birds to choose from. Let's see. Are there any rodents in here? I think a fox would also like to eat fish, probably. There's another fox. Let's see. We have any rodents? There's a rabbit. Foxes do eat rabbits. There's a little mouse. We'll add him. And something that a fox does not eat. What's something a fox would try to avoid? Isn't that what it said? Does not like to eat. What does a fox not like to eat? Where's like fruits and veggies? Food. Let's see. Probably wouldn't eat an avocado. Let's see. What would he not eat? A soda? He probably wouldn't eat a soda. We'll throw a soda out here. Okay. Make each food sprite begin the wondering behavior immediately after it appears. So, behaviors. Sprite begins. So I've got to move some stuff to make room here. All right, and we're going to make these sprites. So sprites, make new. And there we go. Give it the wondering behavior immediately after it appears. Okay. Oh, wait. Sprites, actions, events, when clicked, when touched, while up, behaviors. Sprite begins, behaviors, sprite begins. Wondering, I need to change it to the Coke can. And the mouse is also going to wonder. Okay, cool. We got that working. Bubble 5. Where are we at on time? We're good. Okay. Use when blank touches blank with blank jump to blank to simulate eating in your virtual world. Create an event that makes one of your food sprites jump to a random location when your pet touches it. Okay. So events when touches and repeat all the above for the other food sprites. So we're going to do it for both. So events when touches. So when the fox touches the mouse, and when the fox touches the can. Okay. All right, and we're gonna do actions jump to. And the mouse is going to jump to a random location. Coke can is going to jump to a random location. Okay, so create an event that makes one of your food sprites jump to a random location when your pet touches it, and repeat the other. Okay. It's working. Cool. All right. Finish. Continue. It says use set energy to along with change energy by to make eating food affect your pet's energy. The more energy it has, the faster it moves. That's what we discovered back on that first bubble when we were testing out the game initially. Okay. So set the variable energy to 5 when the program starts. So set energy to 5. And when your pet eats food it likes, add 1 to energy. Okay, so when he... Ooh, we got a lot of overlap there. That's ugly. Okay, so when he touches the mouse, variables, change energy by 1. Is that how that works? Hold on. Let's do this the math way. Okay, variables, set energy to, energy plus 1. So we're going to go in here. Whoop. There we go. And then back to variables, energy plus how do I grab a 1? Is there not? There's not a math drawer. Maybe if I pull this out here, I can pull the 1 off. There we go. That's a roundabout way to do it. And then when your pet eats food it doesn't like, set energy back to 5. So back into variables, set energy to 5. Okay. Change each arrow key event so that your pet now moves energy pixels instead of a specific number. All right, we can do that. So pull this out, pull this out, pull this out, pull this out. Now we're going to go into variables and put energy into each one of these. Run it. So he should be getting faster each time. I get the mouse to the detriment of the mouse himself. He makes me faster every time I catch him, and then when I get the can, it slows me down. All right, cool. Working. Level 7. You can check your pet's energy value with print, a new block found in the world category. Create an event that makes the value of energy be printed when the pet sprite is clicked. All right. So create an event that makes the value of energy be printed when the pet sprite is clicked. So comments, no. Events, when clicked. Create an event that makes the value of energy be printed when the pet sprite is clicked. So events when clicked. Where's a print? Behavior, logic, world. There we go. Print. Create an event that makes the value of energy be printed when the pet sprite is clicked. Let's see. Run. So if I click on him. Oh, whoops. Change to the fox, man. Reset, run. Okay, it's putting it up there over and over and over again. So if I get the mouse a few times and click on him, now my value is 8. Oh no, I was going to test it. Man, you dang Coke can. All right, 8 again. Up to 11 now. Oh, okay, reset. So that's working. World. And I can print a statement in there too. So that's cool. All right, bubble 8. Free play. Your virtual pet is virtually awesome. What more can you do? Try these ideas. Change the background to a color or an image. Print more. Try printing yum, energy increased when the pet eats food it likes, or yuck, energy reset when it eats food it doesn't like. Add another sprite that interacts with your pet in a different way. How about a toy sprite? Add another variable that can affect your pet or the world. And what might happiness or age do? Experiment with behaviors. Try editing the wandering behavior to slow down the speed or speed up the food sprites. Hint, their speed is currently 5. Okay, cool. So I'll leave you to this. I want to see what you make. I'll come in here and check what you've done and see what creative little games you've created. Use your imaginations, use your creativity, go wild with it, and make some cool stuff. I hope you have had as much of a good time as I have with this. See you later.